how to fix Roblox failed to create directory error 3. So in order to fix this issue, first thing that we need to do is to create a cache of Roblox from our computer. And in order to create Roblox cache, firstly go to run and type %local app data % and click on OK. And from here select the Roblox and delete this Roblox. And what this does is it will create all the cache data of Roblox on your device and reopen the game again, and you should be able to fix your problem. But if this is not helping to solve the problem, the next option we have is to go to compatibility option. Firstly, right click on the Roblox player and go to properties, and here you can see compatibility option, and make sure that you disable the full screen optimization and you run this program as an administrator. And also you can run compatibility mode. Just click on the run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 or Windows 8. Firstly select Windows 7 and check if Roblox works well. If not, go for Windows 8, and this should be pretty helpful to fix your problem. And if you find it helpful, to subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment.